As you can see, I've dismantled the initial y-axis, although the x-axis, because they lacked of rigidity, and I'm looking to improve their rigidity by including these 8mm bar, each 5 centimeter, all along this 70 centimeter angle bar. These are 14 8mm plate, cut 45 degree angle from this side and from that side too, all the same shape, for them to join the two angle bars, this one and that one, for the rigidity. Each 5 centimeter we will weld one bridge. And here are the 14 8mm bars. I didn't weld all of them for the angle bar not to be distorted and for it not to warp upside. I've welded only two, the first and the fifth. There is 14 of them. I've clamped the angle bars on the rails, as you can see. Clamped them with 5 F clamps. So I will try to minimize the warpage as much as I can. I am facing a problem, which is the bearing for the lead screw is going through the bridges. I will find a way, like I may cut them all in one line from to fit the screw and to weld its nut on one of these bridges, one or two. I will make also cross members perpendicular to these when I make when I weld them fully perpendicular to the angle bar. And later on, I will re-weld the angle bars to perpendicular to these angle bars. So I will have both X and Y axis. And after that, I will start working on the Z axis. I'm trying to find the perfect motor. This one is like 0.8 horsepower. This is also 0.8. This is like half a horsepower. I may get a new motor which is more powerful. I need at least 2 horsepower of a motor. I've removed the lead screw. Here it is for both Y and X axis. But before I weld the two angle bars perpendicular to the X angle bar, I will try to surface them. I will make a gimmick or a dummy Z axis with a spindle. I will try to hold an angle grinder on it and put the grinding cup, and I will slide the X axis all along the rails for it to surface it all on the same elevation. I will try to be precise as much as I can. These are for scale. This is a 19mm wrench. It will be a good and a big milling machine, hopefully.